Well, good morning, motherfuckers. It's fucking Saturday. I'm a little behind, but we're in no rush today. You want to get shit done? Fucking lace up your boots, get boots on the ground, and get to fucking work. If you want to get shit done and do it right. I'm gonna try to record this shit today on on the GoPro, and we'll see how this goes. It'll probably just be a time lapse. We've got a maple tree to finish taking down. We've been chipping away a little bit here, a little bit there, in a couple of evenings. We had some free time. So the weather's good. It's nice and cool. The wind's not too strong. So now we got some real sketchy limbs and stuff to take down. But like I said, I'm probably gonna do it in the time lapse more than likely, only because this is gonna be an all-day thing. So if I do it in time lapse, I should be able to get the whole thing in video, well, a form of a video. So just remember, nobody fucking cares. Put your fucking boots on and fucking get her done. We'll be back.
Sorry, it's DJ.
One here we're actually using a winch and a Porter Wrap 9,000-pound winch hooked up to what is that, not RAV4 Forerunner, I think it is. We're using it for rigging and stuff like that, because what you can't see is some of these limbs are so long they're actually overhanging the neighbor's house and the house that we are like currently working at. So that's what we're using to for all our rigging, so everything's under control and whatnot. So we're just playing it safe than sorry sort of thing. And yeah, everything else is done in time lapse. Have a good day.